They say dreams come with a price tag. But what if you could rebuild a shattered dream for a fraction of its worth? Hi, I'm David, and this is the story of how I rebuilt a wrecked Lamborghini Huracan for just $18,000. It all started with a vision to breathe life back into something that had been left for dead. When I first laid eyes on this wrecked beauty, many doubted if it could ever hit the road again. But I saw potential where others saw despair. Piece by piece, bolt by bolt, David embarked on a journey of resurrection. It wasn't easy. There were challenges at every turn. But I was determined to see this project through to the end. With sheer determination and a willingness to learn, David overcame every obstacle in their path. And then, finally, the moment arrived, the moment when all the hard work and sweat paid off. But the journey didn't end there. There were still hurdles to cross, tests to pass, and doubters to prove wrong. From securing the necessary permits to ensuring that every component met safety standards, the process was rigorous. But through perseverance and resilience, David emerged victorious, with a rebuilt Lamborghini Huracan that defied all odds. And now, as I sit behind the wheel of this masterpiece, I'm reminded that dreams are not just meant to be chased, they're meant to be realized. So, the next time you encounter a setback or a challenge, remember the story of David and their $18,000 Lamborghini Huracan. Because sometimes, the greatest achievements arise from the humblest beginnings.